guys, I'm back. I actually came to show these off but ended up going through my T's and C's first because I've had a lot of questions about it, so I did that as a separate video and I am now back to show off the actual kits. But yeah, there are 3 new kits in my Etsy shop. They are, if you are watching this video, they are already up and available to purchase. Excuse me, the other day, whilst I was going through a stash of music stuff that I have, old vintage music papers and stuff like that, sheet music and what have you, I found this, and yeah, it's awesome. It's a little booklet full of music. It's a piano sheet music, and yeah, it's gorgeous. I mean, you know what us guys are like in the journaling community, paper crafting community, where music is concerned, and it doesn't have writing on it, which a lot of us prefer. It just has the notes. So yeah. Oh, okay, sorry, the door. I'm guessing you heard that. But yeah. So we have this, and then we have beautiful 2 blank pages there at the front and the back, which have lovely aging on them. But yeah, so I love it. I really, really love this front cover. It is, I'm out of breath. It is copyrighted. Where did I find it? I need to catch my breath now. Where did I see it? Oh, there. Right at the bottom on the first page, duh. Yeah, it is actually copyrighted 1906, but it is actually public domain, so awesome. It was written in 1894 by Anton. Sorry. I'm not even going to say that, try and pronounce that. Yeah, so, and it is called Humoreske. Yeah, so I I scanned it for you guys. So, but I did it in 2 versions. So just get rid of that for a moment because that's a separate kit. I did it in 2 versions. This one is, so there are actually 2 kits up on the Etsy shop. One of them is called Humoreske Original, which is this one. This is exactly how it's scanned. I haven't altered it or anything. This is exactly how it's scanned. Yeah, so, and I've done all the pages, so you've got the front page, you've got that inside blank page, you know, little bit of age spots on it, that little mark there, so they make good backing papers. So you've got that one there as well. There are 8 pages altogether. 6 of them have the music on, 2 of them are the blank pages, the front inside and the back inside page. And as I said, this is exactly how it printed out. Scanned, sorry. Did I miss one? No. Yeah. Yes, I did. I thought so. It felt like I had. Yeah, there's the inside back page that's plain. A little bit of age spotting around. And that is the back page. But yeah, so like I said, there are 8 pages altogether. Well, I say 6 have music, they don't, kind of music. You've got your front page and the back page which don't have music, so technically you've got 4 pages with music, haven't you? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. I'll alter the listing because I said there were 6 music pages. Anyway, yeah, so that is exactly how it's scanned and printed, and then after printing it, I thought, it's alright, but it looks a bit, not black and white, but I don't know, it didn't feel very aged to me, so I took the files to the editing program that I use, and I just altered the colouring slightly to give it a more yellowy tone, which to me makes it feel more vintage. Yeah, it's not as yellow, yellowy, orangey, lush colour as what's on the actual booklet, but also I have printed both kits onto normal printer paper, so it is muted and toned down anyway. These will print entirely different onto matte photo paper. I don't use it, so you know, you guys will have different results depending what papers you print on. This is just printed on bog standard 80 GSM photo printer copy paper. So, but anyway, like I said, that is kit 1. It's called Humoreske Original Kit 1, and that's how it printed. That's exactly how it's scanned. This is Humoreske Kit 2, and it, well, no, it's called Humoreske Enhanced, not Advanced, Enhanced, and it's kit 2. As I said, it's the exact same kit. I just altered the colour slightly to give it a more yellowy vintagey tone. So again, it's exactly the same, but a different colour, slightly enhanced vintage colour. As you can see, there is quite a difference even on normal printer paper, so there will be quite a considerable difference, noticeable difference on matte photo paper. I actually prefer this one. I must admit, I do actually prefer the enhanced kit. And yes, I will alter the listing because there are 4 music pages, 2 plain pages, and then 2 pages with writing on. I'd better alter the listing because somebody might complain that they only got 4 music pages instead of 6. But yes, so there we are. So there you go, guys. There are 2 brand new kits in the shop, and based on this, I love this. It's just awesome, and I will not be used now that, you know, I've got copies of this. I will be putting this back into my stash, and it will be cherished for quite some time. I mean, 1906 this was produced. The copyright on it is 1906, which is when this was made, but the actual music piece was composed by this Anton person in 1894. So I was like, wow, it's over 200 years old. But yeah, so there you go. So we have those 2 kits, and then we have just a plain bog standard backing papers kit. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't done one up until now, but somebody actually messaged me and said, loving the kits, but do you actually have any backing papers? And I'm like, no, I actually don't, unless the kit comes with a few backing papers. No, I don't believe I've actually ever done any. I have done a kit that was scanned copies of tea-dyed papers and stuff like that, but I've never actually done an actual backing papers kit. So here we are. And this is kind of a pick and mix from different things. So like this was the inside cover of a book. Just nice, plain and simple. I think it had staples in it at some stage. But yeah, so again, it's the same, but I enhanced it, so we had exactly how it's scanned, and then I just yellowed it. I love this one. Yellowed it a little bit. So we've got those 2. There we go. This was the inside of an Amazon packaging. So you can see the like corrugated cardboard bit on it, which is cool. I love that. This is packaging paper. And I love the little crinkles and everything in it, the texture that it gives. That mark there, that kind of shadow in there, is where I had it folded in half. So, but actually it's kind of perfect if you just want to fold it in half, like on a backing page or even as a page. And again, the same one, but oh, it should have been the other way around, sorry. It doesn't matter, but you know, they are the same one. That's exactly as it's scanned. That was the enhanced version of it, a little bit more grainy and textured. And these 2 are the inside pages of the Humoreske kit. I just borrowed those 2 pages from that kit. Those 2 are the same, again, as it printed, as it scanned, the enhanced version. And then that was the other one as well. I only did one of those though, but that was the other inside page as well. And on here, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but on here when you print out you can just very, very faintly see some of the imaging coming through from the other side when it got scanned. But yeah, so there you go guys, we just have like a bog standard backing papers kit. Just scans of different things to use as backing. I believe there's 8 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there are 8 pages in that kit. And again, like I said, if you are watching this video, then they are available to purchase in the Etsy shop right now, and all the relevant information and links will be below. But yes, so there you go guys, please go check them out, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So yeah, and I'm gonna love you and leave you, so thank you very much for watching guys. I hope you enjoy these kits as much as I'm going to enjoy playing with them too. I mean, it's music paper, these two anyway, it's music paper, you can't ever go wrong with that, and backing pages, well, you can use them for a variety of all sorts of things. They would be perfect for, excuse me, obviously using as backing pages, printing both sides, but also collaging, sticking when you've done your like book page snippet rolls. These would be ideal to use to collage the back, or even just stick along the backs of tags and all sorts. I think actually of all of these pages, I think that one, the Amazon packaging, them with the creases, the Amazon packaging and the packaging paper, I think are my favourite ones. That one especially, the enhanced version especially, I just love the texture. But yeah, so I just looked around thinking, what have I got that's fairly neutral that I could scan fine, you know, that'd make good backing pages. So I'm like, oh, there we go. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy guys, and yeah, if you do ever purchase any of my kits and make anything with them, I would love for you guys to send me pictures of them or anything like that. If you're on social media, tag me in them. If you guys make anything with them and you would like to send me pictures and for me to show off here on the YouTube channel, be my guest. You could be my kind of guest design team. And yes, so what are we in now? March, April, May, June. I will be on the, speaking of design team, I will actually be on the lookout for some new design team members in a few months' time. So keep your eyes open for that. And eyes open and ears, eyes open and ears peeled, whichever way around you say it. My brain's not working properly today. Yeah, gone. I'm going. Anyway, I need another brew. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you love the kits, and I will speak to you again soon. Goodbye.